Yeah, first of all, this is the first time I think for so many games na we have a good start since nung game namin against Magnolia. And we dictate the tempo of the game. But in the end game, that's what I've said during our huddle before the game. Na it's not only the start; it's the finishing. And then that's what happened. But fortunately, we're able to win out of 19 points in the middle of the third fourth. Ganyan. But I think our player is so emotional and to the point na nakakakuha kami ng mga technical foul. And then we should learn from that. Maturity is something na we have to consider to improve our team.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Wami, ang sabi mo nga kailangan manalo. At tulad din ang sabi ni Coach, this game was emotional, it was physical. You even committed 2 technical fouls. Can you take us back to those moments, the importance, the emotions? How did that all factor in this game?
First and foremost, very thankful to the Lord. Glory to Him for our win today. It's a must win. And going back to your question, it's more of the competitive fire. Wanting to win, wanting to make the playoffs. Syempre, I'm a new guy, and as expected naman, San Miguel, it's elite team. You can't play the playoffs without San Miguel. And for me, I really was just intense and competitive. And at the end of the day, Alec and I are friends naman off the court. It's just on the court.
Are you ready for the questions from the media?
Thank you. Kayo naman, no?
Coach, very crucial yung video because if you dun sa race sa number 8, kahit na advantage sa inyo, alam natin sa atin kayo this kind of win natin para yung TNT next Sunday.
Yeah, that's one of the most important game for us to avoid any complication. And we have to win because contender for the 8th place is Magnolia at NLEX. They have 2 games left. So we can never know what will happen. That's why we have to be ready on our game on Sunday against Token Tex. But before the game, I told them that I don't want to elaborate the importance of the game. We have to be focused on our execution of our offense and defense. And I'm so happy we have a good start. Nasunod yun, siguro isa na lang we have to be to think what is really happening in the end game. We should have something to do, where to go, and who's gonna lead the team. And I think one of the players, si Wami, but still not enough. And I want him to stop more because there's so many things he can do for the team.
Sa conference na problema ko sa import si Pope is report import. Obviously, his best game since dumating sa inyo.
Yeah, I think we're so happy for Malik today. At least even though he's not a scorer, he did his part, especially on rebounding and then trying to eliminate some outside shooting of his man, especially Santos, because we're really worried about Santos because he's one of the best shooter of Converge, and he got a lot of rebound, I think, and his presence talagang naramdaman unlike before mga games, but we have to understand his situation. When he arrived, guys, right away he went with us in Locso and without any knowledge about who's gonna play, who's kalaban, anong place yun. And then talagang may jet lag pa And then I think that's the consequences of getting an import. But we have to do it because Jabari at the times got injured, and then we have to decide, And I'm so happy tonight he was able to give something that we can pwede namin pakinabangan din sa panalo. And I think he played above average.
prior to this game, maganda din ang Milwaukee sa fourth quarter against Northport. Tapos ngayon, maganda rin ang nila niya, nag-start din siya. Dahil ba sa Northport game, kaya siya nag-start din. Do you think mas malaki na yung role ni Milwaukee dito sa Miguel with this performance? So,
ever since we acquired him, talagang may role siyang gagawin para sa team. And then alam naman natin, coming from the other team, he can score. Ganyan, But he has to think na this team is a lot of player who can score too. So if you notice, he's trying his best. Talagang to involve everybody, especially in end game. He's always trying to run the play, giving us some players na he knows na he can that can score. But I think marami pa siya matututunan dito dahil siyempre what is important siya yung winning attitude and how to win, especially in a crucial game like this.
So, nakita mo yung scoring mo for tonight's game. Talaga bang you were set on doing that in this crucial game?
Hindi, actually hindi. Yung role ko talaga, we have Junmar, we have CJ, we have Jericho, Don Traliano, Mo, underrated scorer. We have a lot of scorers. And my role talaga, yung sinabi ko talaga ni Coach Leo, is to get everyone involved first. And then in the fourth quarter, if there's a chance I can call a pick and roll for myself, a chance to be more aggressive, then yun yung opportunity ko. Kasi I also parang medyo relatable rin kasi to sa Ateneo na, di ba, with a lot of superstars. Alam yung role ko na at that time was to make sure everyone gets their rhythm first, and then eventually I get myself going. Yung scoring will always be there naman para confident naman ako with myself, knowing na I can score anytime or I can create a shot for myself. But yung important dito sa team is, our priority is Junmar and CJ. Yun yung priority. They've won championships together already, and I'm the new guy, and I'm still getting my foot wet pa rin. So that's it.
Sabi niya, priority si CJ Junmar. Priority ko siya, point guard. Dahil he will be the one to set up and lead the team.
Mami, anong sabi mo dun sa final stretch ninyo of games? Next game ninyo would be very crucial. What's your take on that game? Kasi syempre, you're used to also this kind of pressure games with therapy sa So how do you think, how do you see this game naman?
Honestly, I'm just in the moment first. Not really worried about what happens in the future kasi it's out of my control naman. But our priority first is to get back in practice. Syempre, viewing namin with Coach, yung details, how we're going to defend RHJ, Calvin, our Pugoy, si Calvin, si Nambatak, and si Jason Castro. So, yun yung priority namin now. I'm not really thinking about the game yet. Siguro ito bukas na.
Just a follow-up, Wami. You mentioned how you're aiming by sa San Miguel, but with this game that turned out to be close in the end, pinagkaliwalaan ka ng coaches, nasa loob ka. What does that mean to you?
Actually, it means a lot, syempre. It gives me the confidence, yung tiwala sa akin ni Coach Leo endgame. Even in the previous games rin naman may times na pinapatapos rin sa akin ni Coach Leo. And gusto ko suklian yung tiwala na binibigay niya sa akin.
And on that, again, our post-game press conference. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Maybe